You are welcome to the Wealthy Continent channel, a channel dedicated to the great people and continent of Africa. One of the most precious gifts you and I have been given is our mind. And if we're going to maximize it, then consistent renewal is non-negotiable. Please think about it. If it makes sense to you, use it. Otherwise, bin it. The greatest resource of any nation is not the natural resources, but her people. Remember, perspective matters. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.